Incorporated. To be awarded by Ms. Kate Bergman and Mr. Mark Anthony Patil. Would also like to call Mr. Benjo Carpio to receive this special token from Arms for Global Defense Incorporated. Sir, pakilagay po muna yung yung ating yung sa event po natin. Thank you. And may we request the presence of Ms. Kate? Sino? Any representative from our store? Up next, ladies and gentlemen, for President Obama. I'd like to call on the assistant Martin to please come over here.
Sir, ano ba yung product mo?
So this is the DJI Enterprise System piece. So it's not an ordinary drone. This is in comparison to what you could see from the commercial drones. This is the heavy grade and industrial drones. So this is a professional drone.
Anong meron sir dyan? Ba't parang kakaiba?
Ito po tayo dito. Meron tayong infrared sensor, may FLIR tayo, and at the same time we have 200 times digital zoom. So nakikita po natin yung mga subject natin kahit na madilim. Kasama po natin yung PA system natin, makakapag-conduct po tayo ng mga announcements at pwede natin i-record yun. Pwede natin i-repeat po. Ang capacity na ito is 200 meters. Yan po kalakas yung ating PA system. And ang ating spotlight up to 100 meters. Advantage po nito, this is waterproof and dustproof. So kahit na malakas at ulan, pwede po natin gamitin yung drone. Hindi na naging challenging yung drones. Also, malakas po yung resistance nito sa wind. Based sa aming experience, lumipad kami ng 51 kilometers per hour na atin. Minsan po sa ibang drones po natin, tatangay na po. Kakayanin po nito.
Also, would like to call on Mr. Benjo Carpio to receive a special gift from our store.
So, saan ba maririnig ang information niya? May talk ba kayo mamaya or sa ano din sa Taka Expo?
Meron tayo mamaya, so nakaabang lang tayo, bibigyan tayo ng blue signal later in the afternoon. So, I will be discussing more kung ano ang importance.
Would also like to call on Mr. Gian.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Welcome to 24
Special gift
Tax
from
Expo
Arms for Global Defense Incorporated. Courtesy of Black Octopus Gear. Maraming salamat. Napakaganda ng bags. Napakabait talaga ni Direk Elvis. Sobrang laki. Super. Napaka-jet.